Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to block students joining old unsupervised Google Meetings using xFanatical SafeDoc. Google Meet is an invaluable tool for virtual learning, providing a platform for real-time communication and collaboration. However, the option to allow students to rejoin previously hosted sessions can lead to unsupervised gatherings where distractions or inappropriate behavior may occur, especially if no teacher or administrator is present to monitor the activity. By restricting access to past Google Meet links, educators can prevent students from misusing these virtual spaces and ensure that meetings are only accessible during scheduled and supervised times. That's where xFanatical's SafeDoc comes for the rescue. SafeDoc assists in blocking access to old Google Meet sessions, reinforcing a safe and controlled online learning environment. This approach helps schools uphold virtual classroom integrity, promoting a focused and secure atmosphere conducive to learning. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the block Unnicknamed Meeting and setting the value to True, you can block students from joining old unsupervised Google Meetings easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.